The government has invested $1 billion Jamaican dollars in a recharge project, which will ensure the continuous extraction of water from the South St. Catherine limestone source. This project is underway and it should be completed by the end of this year. We are investing $1.6 billion Jamaican dollars to expand the Martha Bray water treatment plant, to increase water supply to the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, and Westmoreland. $3 billion Jamaican dollar investment underway for segment 2 of the Rio Cobra pipeline to benefit most areas in St. Catherine and the Kingston metropolitan area. There is the Lucy Transmission Pipeline Project, which is increasing water supply to communities in Hanover and Westmoreland, involving an investment of $1 billion Jamaican dollars. We are spending another $560 million Jamaican dollars to refurbish the Bogue water treatment plant to increase supply to Northeast St. Anne, Western, and Central St. Mary. Efforts are being made to bring more wells into operation and increase the treatment of water from wells for distribution facilities. So far this year, the NWC has invested more than 100 million Jamaican dollars in trucking water to people in affected communities across the country. The ministry has been working to put more rapid response water trucks into operation, and I beg the minister, do it fast. Water is life. And wherever the people cannot get water, they are going to be very miserable. But also, with climate change and the heat we are now facing, people need to have water. For the long term, we are reviewing the country's water supply plans. Some options include the possibility of damming of the Rio Cobra to provide an additional 50 million gallons per day to the Kingston metropolitan area and St. Catherine. But then again, the minister is responsible for environment as well. You need to check whether that will impact our environment. In addition, the NWC and the Water Resources Authority will be exploring the feasibility of distributing water from the northwestern parishes of Trelawney, St. Anne, to areas of need in the southern and eastern sections of the island. The government is also fully embracing rainwater harvesting as a major part of our water security efforts now and for the future. Already, some 112 catchment tanks in several parishes have been refurbished at a cost of more than 100 million Jamaican dollars over the past 3 years.